In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Telegram bots. Telegram bots are automated accounts that can do things for you right inside a chat, from setting reminders to translating text or fetching information. Using them is simple once you know the flow. Let's walk through it clearly so you can follow along with confidence. First, open the bot's profile in Telegram. When you have a bot you want to try, just go to its profile page the same way you would open any chat. You might arrive there from a link or by tapping the bot's name if it was shared with you. You'll see a chat window with the bot's name and description, just like a regular conversation. At the bottom of that chat, tap Start. On desktop, you can click the Start button, and if you don't see it for some reason, you can simply type the command Start and send it. That button or command tells the bot you're ready to begin. If the bot doesn't respond or you're returning after a long time and want to reset the interaction, send Start again to kick off a fresh session. Right away, the bot will usually reply with a welcome message and a quick overview of what it can do. Many bots show a short list of commands that begin with a slash, like help or settings, and some also present on-screen buttons or a special menu beneath the message. Take a moment to read this welcome note carefully. It often includes important tips about how to format your requests, what information the bot needs from you, and any limits or examples. From here, follow the bot's messages. If it offers buttons, tap the ones that match what you want. If it lists commands, type or tap the command it suggests, exactly as shown. Some bots guide you through a series of prompts, asking simple questions one at a time. Answer in the format they request to avoid errors. If you ever get stuck, look for a help command like help or a menu option that brings up instructions again. Many bots also support a back or cancel option to return to the previous step. A quick note on safety. Avoid sharing sensitive information like passwords, codes, or personal details in a bot chat unless you fully trust the source and know it's required. Reputable bots make it clear what they need and why. That's it. Open the bot's profile, tap Start to send, Start, read the welcome and instructions, and then follow the bot's messages using the provided commands or buttons. With that routine, you'll be comfortable using Telegram bots for everyday tasks in no time.